That's good.
Hey, yo, we seen you on Mac TV.
Yeah. Yo, check out these chairs, man. Is that beef or lamb? Slow down. You gotta slow down. Hit your brakes, Zoe. Chicken wings, cabbage, and French fries right there. Got them wings, man. Got the wings, the cabbage right there. We got them shrimp. Oh my goodness, those are looking good. Got the green beans and the yams. Back out here in the Fifth Ward of East Orange. Look what I got with me, y'all. Check it out. Big sister, little brother. Look, y'all, Mama Nan's John. We gonna sneak up in Mama Nan's. We gonna catch her. We gonna catch her. She gonna be like, how he just gonna sneak up and not come in? How you doing?
How are you?
Good, good, good.
Friends, huh?
These are my kids, yeah.
Hello,
These the babies.
all right.
These are my younger two. Y'all want something sweet too?
Oh, of course they do.
All right, y'all get something. Then we're gonna go get a patty. That looks so creamy.
Yep.
That looks so
So many
creamy,
people,
y'all.
thank you for coming and sharing your views on our product, because so many people have come.
Oh, yeah?
They said we've been
I
watching
got chill
Matt.
bumps. See that?
They said we've been watching Matt, and we want that butter pecan, that red velvet with the banana pudding cream. And I laugh about it all the time because I know exactly which one they're looking for. So thank you for coming through and sharing that.
So we just trying to tell y'all to buy local. Yo, check out these chairs, man. It's like the bicycle pedal. Okay, y'all, we just left Mama Nan's. We got our treats. Now we're about to go up in K&D restaurant. Yo, we up in K&D's, John. See if they ready. Look, they got oxtails here too. Curry shrimp, cow foot, curry goat. Hey, what's going on, brother? We're here for the beef patties. You got beef patties? You gonna get one? You gonna get one? We're gonna get 2 beef patties. We're gonna go in here and say hi to Kareem too real quick. I always thought the Fifth Ward of East Orange was pretty cool, especially here on 4th, because they always got a lot going on, man. And these businesses are, thanks, man. These businesses are thriving. So we're gonna go in here and see if Kareem's here. Y'all remember we're here, right? Kareem here? Is Kareem here? Oh, he's not here. All right, tell him I stopped by. Tell him the YouTube guy just stopped by. Matt. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ordering.
My man, that's good.
Hey, yo, we seen you on Mac TV.
Yeah.
All right, words.
Yep.
Or Uber the other day, left a note.
Oh, yeah?
You
seen us on YouTube, yeah.
And another person came up and was like, go check y'all out. So I'm like, okay.
That's good, man. I'll stop back, but I just wanted to say hi to him because we're going to hit another store. Yep, thank you. So Kareem's not here, y'all, but you guys have been coming in, showing up, and showing out. Thanks for supporting these local businesses. I might even go across the street to the Halal spot today and get a steak. I might go over there and get a T-bone steak, man. Yummy. So look, y'all, Lite Soul is open. We about to walk up in there. Let's go up in here. Y'all go up first. We going to Lite Soul. Y'all know they was closed before, but she called me and said those weren't our hours.
It's not open.
It's locked? Yeah. The gate is open though. Who in here? Ain't nobody in here. All right, y'all, we trying to come to this spot.
Oh, they're not open. It's 2 p.m. to 8 p.m.
2 p.m. today?
Yeah.
We gotta come back, y'all. We gonna come back. I gotta keep coming back. How you doing, brother? We gotta keep coming back to try this joint out. We got to. So Zoe, so you can see the sign, and it said today's Friday is from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. So let's go driving, and then we'll come back. Slow down. You gotta slow down. Just hit your brakes, Zoe. You can't roll into this like this. All right, y'all. I just grew a few gray hairs. Zoe's driving, and she be hitting a turn full speed. I can't really. Oh, I guess I could take it home. So y'all look. What y'all think? Like, look at this. Let's go. See how many stores we've been to, man, since we've been over here. Pack of ramen. Y'all got enough ramen at home, don't y'all? What? All right. So y'all don't need ramen, do you? My man, my man. How you doing, brother? Let's see what's up here. They got turkey wings right there. Is that beef or lamb?
Huh?
This is beef. That's all.
He said did a 4 pound.
Look at that, man. Look at that sausage, y'all. I need to go get some eggs now.
Yo, last thing y'all saw, the whole thing was there. I done sat down, it got a little cool. It cooled off a little bit, half the thing going now. It's real good.
He said it's real good, y'all.
You know, I heard like in Jamaica they have a certain type of bun that they wrap the beef patty around and they eat it like that whole.
Yeah, what's that bread? What's that bread called, y'all, that in Jamaica they wrap it around? You ate yours, Susan? Scale of 1 to 10.
Like a 9.5, 10. You know the frozen ones that I buy?
Yeah.
The frozen ones can't top this.
Ah. Start the car up there, Sonny boy. Start us up. Zach's in here driving. Y'all got food in his hand. It's getting hot in here. Had to get him start that car. And they didn't offer me none, y'all. I bought them beef patties.
You want some?
What happened?
You want some?
Yeah, give me some of this piece right here. Hold up, just give me this right here. Hold this steady. I just want to break this whole little piece right there and see if this the truth.
It's the truth, there, I'm telling you.
Let's see if this the truth, y'all, from K&D. It's good. Zach gave it a 9.5. I give it an 8.
The perfect amount of spice.
We were doing some practice driving today. Still trying to get Zach and Zoe ready for their driver's test. And now we're about to go get our eat on at Lite Soul. Oh, look, y'all. Look, y'all. Let's go in here real quick. Look, y'all. Look, y'all. Y'all know we just got to stop by and bother. Let's see all these bean pies. We going next door. Sorry about the bro. Y'all know we love. Oh, what's up, brother? Hi, how's it going, man? Where your dad? He around?
He's in Baltimore.
Oh, okay. Yo, it look like they open. There's people in here. We back, man. We're back. Once again, those are the times. Don't be tricked. Those are the times. Those are the times. We gonna share something, y'all. Cause I know y'all not hungry after eating that beef pie, that beef patty. How you doing, sister? All right.
Are you really? So North?
I am so North. Yes.
Yes, sir. I make that fruit juice with the tail on the That's pie is so delicious.
Check this food out. I feel like this table about to tip over. Got them wings, man. Got the wings, the cabbage right there, and the French fries. Right there, we got them shrimp. Oh my goodness, those are looking good. Got the green beans and the yams, and we got cornbread right there, y'all. So I'm gonna dig into this. Get that smaller plate, Zoe. All right, y'all, we're back out here at the 5th Ward in East Orange at Lite Soul Eatery. We just ordered our food, man. I'm gonna tell y'all, it's Sunday, right? It's not Sunday. I'm gonna tell y'all, it's Friday, and Juma was going on over the masjid. After that, it got really busy in the store. The store opened up 2 o'clock on Fridays. You guys, I'm gonna put up the times that they're open right here. Let's go into it, man. Look at this right here. Look at this, y'all. Got chicken wings, cabbage, and French fries. And this is my plate, right? Because I'm sharing with the kids. Zoe keep eyeing my wings, and then we got the shrimp. I said, Zoe, keep eyeing my shrimp. We got shrimp, yams, and green beans. I'm gonna do one wing, y'all. Look at that wing right there, y'all. Look at this wing. I'm gonna do one chicken wing. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and get me a couple shrimp. I'm gonna do 3 shrimp. Look at these shrimp, y'all. And then you don't want no green beans, right?
Nah.
What did you want?
I want the yams and the shrimp and the fries.
Yam, shrimp, and oh yeah, you could eat those. I'm not gonna eat any fries. I'm gonna eat some of this cabbage, y'all, because the kid's not gonna eat much cabbage. Zoe wanted the yams. I'm gonna do some greens. Everybody be like, you don't eat enough greens. So we're gonna eat some greens here, man. Green beans. Look at them green beans. I need 2 forks. You don't want no green beans anyway, do you? My kids don't want no greens either. Right, this is what I broke it down to. It came to $40 for both of these plates. You can wrap whatever you don't want up. Cause I'm done. Oh, you know what? Just give me a little bit of yam. I'm gonna eat this piece of yam first. Let's check this out. Already I taste that delicious sweetness. It tastes like nutmeg in there, that vanilla flavoring. The yams are the bomb. Right off, we're gonna go through this real quick. I got some green beans here, y'all, with the cabbage. You know what? Those green beans are seasoned to perfection. There is no pork in these greens because these are Muslim sisters inside working. Muslim sisters and brothers. These green beans are delicious. They're not too soft, not too hard. Right to the cabbage. Right to, got that little greasiness to it. I like that. Yo, I'm coming back here. I'm coming back here because I want to try some more stuff. They got turkey chops, they got turkey wings. These are really good. You try some cabbage yet? What do you say? What scale of 1 to 10 on the cabbage?
I really like it.
Is it better than grandma's cabbage?
I can't compare.
My kids the truth. They ain't gonna say nothing bad about their grandma's cooking. I know that's right. This is really, really good, y'all. That sister knows what she's doing in there. She knows. I already know. The shrimp, nice side shrimp. Let me take my time. That batter, it tastes a little peppery. Just the right amount of seasons on it. Look at this. Look at that shrimp, y'all. Only word I can think of is succulent. All right, let me open the hot sauce. I'm gonna put a little hot sauce on that shrimp. That tastes like Frank's. It's the chicken wings, y'all. About to go into it. Look at that meat hanging off, right? It looks like it's done perfectly. Perfectly cooked. No hot sauce at first. Oh, these wings taste like the wings we used to have at church. After church service. That's that bone right there, y'all. Ain't no meat on that bone. I ate it all off. Y'all gotta excuse me while I get beastly. Everything's good.
Get your face off of that.
Only thing I didn't try, only thing I haven't tried yet is the cornbread. We're gonna go into the cornbread next, okay? That chicken got some good flavor in it. You didn't eat no chicken. That is the bomb. Zoe wanted those shrimp. She didn't want shrimp till I ordered them. Look real close at that cornbread, right? Can you see that cornmeal in there? See that meal? I'm just gonna break a piece off. Look at it. Right there. Look. Oh, it looks buttery. Look at this. Can y'all see that? That's some good cornbread. It's a little sweet, but it don't taste like cake. It tastes like cornbread. And it's moist, it's not dry. After I ordered, on today, which they were very busy, my wait was like 40 minutes. Was it worth the wait? I do not like having to wait long for my food, but this was worth the wait. I'll give them 2 thumbs up. What would you give them? Scale on 1 to 10?
No, 2 thumbs up, me too.
Yo, I'm gonna give this spot a 9.5 on the food. Everything is delicious. 9.5. What'd you say, Zoe?
Yeah, I'm sure like a 10.
Zoe wants to give it a 10. I don't blame her. Once again, yo, we're here at Lite Soul Eatery at 64 4th Street. And I'm digging in. I'm going to just sit down and enjoy this, man. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hang with the wrong people. But you with the right people now. We love y'all, and we'll see you guys at the next one. Peace. Hey family, I'm back home. It's time to cook this food from the Halal meat market. I got some sausage, man. I'm gonna do some sausages and some eggs. I started to do grits, but I got real lazy, y'all. I didn't want to do no grits. You know, grits, you gotta take your time, put a little milk in there, make them creamy and all of that. Anyway, let's go, man. Let's cook this sausage real quick, cook some eggs, have some breakfast. That's some sausage, man. Look at that. The links. See that? Still sliding around in the oil. Take that spatula, flip it. That's about done. European civilized here. Using a knife and a fork. Look at this sausage. Oh. That sausage by itself. Oh, I taste a little bit of spiciness to it. You know what? I didn't put a lot of salt and pepper on here, but the sausage could have been the seasoning for the eggs easily. Those are spicy sauces. They're like mild spicy. Next time I cook them, I'm not gonna cook them as long. Maybe. I think they might be perfect.